What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change out your signal bulbs in the XL and XLT trim on a Ford Ranger. With these Ford Rangers, they have halogen turn signal bulbs in the front. I recently did a video with some light bulbs that I put in my fog lamp housings, and they're the yellow 3K LED bulbs from Auxito. They liked the video so much that they actually sent me some signal bulbs for my Ranger, and I have them right here. They contacted me and said, hey, we really liked your video. Would you want some taillight turn signals? I said, well, unfortunately my taillights are already LED from the factory, but I could use a set for the front. So they ended up sending me these. So we're gonna install these today. And they are part number, I don't know what part number they're, I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll put it in the link down below where you can get these from Auxito. So I'll definitely put a link down there. I can't remember what bulb, I think like a 75, 50, 74 or something. I can't remember. I'll look it up though. But we're gonna put these in to our halogen housing from the XLT XL trucks. So I'll show you guys how to do that. If you haven't seen the video with the LED fog lamps, I'll turn them on right now. So I recently did a video of that. Like I said, check the link up at the top here, and then definitely come back to this video. But we did these 3K bulbs from Auxito, and they turned out nice. Like I said, they liked the video so much they sent me a set of turn signals. So we're gonna do them now. So like I said, we're gonna install these. I'll show you how to do that. The bulb size is a 7443. That's what it is. So definitely check them out in the link below. I'll put a link down there from Auxito. And let's get these bulbs installed. So let's get this hood popped. So you're gonna want to go. You see this cap right here, right here. You're gonna want to go underneath that. And underneath that, it's your turn signal bulb. So you're going to want to loosen that by turning it counterclockwise. And then you'll see your bulb here. Just take that out. So we got that out. We're going to take one of our new bulbs. Tell you what, the packaging is pretty good on this. So I just had to take a knife to it. So we got our new bulb here, and we're going to take that socket and we're going to plug that in. So just like that, it's already in. Then we're going to put it back where we got it from. And it is a bit longer, but it still fits in there. So you just want to put it back in the hole and then turn it clockwise. You got to turn it clockwise to get it back in there. So now that's in there. So let's check out the difference between the one side and the other. Alrighty, so I'm going to shut the lights off again. And let's check out and see if there's a difference between the driver's side and the passenger side. Oh, they're switchbacks. I didn't even know they were switchbacks. I didn't even realize they were switchbacks, guys. So that's even cooler. So now, surprise. So now as you see, this is lighting up white and this is lighting up orange. Now, in theoretical, I should be able to hit the blinker on this side and it should flash orange. Oh, that is sweet. I didn't even know they were switchbacks. I thought they were just straight orange. So yeah, I'll put a link down below of the switchbacks. So that is freaking sweet. Okay. I see you, Auxito. That's pretty crazy. How's that looking there? Oh yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do the next one and then see how it goes. Okay. Like I said, you're gonna want to go underneath the high beam here. This side might be a little more trickier because the air tube for the air cleaner box is right here, so this one might be a little trickier. Got the bulb. Let's get the other bulb installed. So we got that. We're just gonna pop her in the socket like we did on the other side. Put it back in its spot. Like I said, this side's a little trickier, so a little bit more difficult to get it in and out. Okay. So that's in there. So let's take a look with them both on. I didn't even realize they were switchbacks. Oh, that is sweet. And they're bright too. Like that running light is bright. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, well, dang it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like it. So, that's pretty much it for the install on these. As you can see, they are switchbacks, which I didn't know. I didn't know what I was getting from them because I just sent them out. I just told them the bulb size number. And I do notice we are getting a hyperflash on the gauge here. I don't know if you can see it, but on the outside, it's flashing normally. So probably would need a resistor or something, inline resistor to combat that. But otherwise, they're working, so yeah, looks good. So I definitely want to thank you guys. Definitely want to thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the link down below to Auxito. They sent me these bulbs because they liked the other video that we did with the fog lamps. So definitely check that video out, and definitely check out the link below to get these bulbs for your truck. Like I said, I think there's a little bit of a hyper flash on the dash, but they work correctly on the outside. So like I said, you might have to get a resistor from them or like an inline type of deal. So other than that, I'm happy with them. I'm not gonna complain. They look great, they look amazing. Look them on one more time for you. There's the orange. And then running blue. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely go check out Auxito. They made this video possible, so definitely check them out. We are getting close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, so definitely hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, you have a good night, and keep her in between the ditches. See you guys, bye.